A new generation of laser navigation smart vacuum cleaner, Neatver X600 Pro. Using high-end chips and AI algorithms, 6,000 per section makes it have excellent cleaning ability. LiDAR scans high-frequency samples to detect obstacles in real time and avoid them accurately. Humanized map management. You can use your mobile phone to specify the areas that need to be clean and the areas that are not clean. If there is no power during cleaning, it will automatically return to the charging base. After charging, continue to clean the remaining area and insist on completing the cleaning. Strong motivation, easily overcome obstacles within 2 centimeters. Two brushes spin quickly to collect dust on the carpet. Precise microcontrol water pump with high-performance chip can accurately control the water output. Like a high-speed rotating propeller, a laser camera draws a map at the fastest speed. This is our trump card. Neatver, a good life comes from technology.
Meet the next generation self-empty robot. The Shark AI Robot Self-Empty XL. Its advanced AI laser navigation precisely cleans row by row, while avoiding objects day or night. And now, with Ultra Clean Mode, you can target and deep clean single rooms, high traffic zones, and specific spots. Ultra Clean Mode combines powerful suction with a multi-directional cleaning pattern to deep clean areas that need it most. The Shark AI Robot also features a bagless HEPA self-empty base that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens for up to 2 months. And everything is controlled by the app or your voice. This is where cleaning power meets cleaning intelligence.
For 30 years now, we've designed iRobot products with one consideration in mind: how they'll improve people's lives. That's 30 years of looking at specific problems and building the right solutions, so that robotics can look like this and effortless tech can sound like this. At iRobot, the technology used to find explosives and study oil spills has evolved to map your home and clean your floors. And our app is opening up a future of possibilities in the smart home. So as homes get smarter, more connected, and more automated, our products will too. Innovation, quality, dependability, backed by excellent customer service and the iRobot warranty. That's the iRobot difference.
The second generation of robotic vacuum cleaners from Miele impresses with an innovative 3D smart navigation. The Scout RX2 navigates systematically through the room and always knows exactly where it is. It can be relied upon to find every spot that still needs cleaning. With its 2 front cameras, the Scout RX2 features 3-dimensional room recognition, which enables it to calculate distances to objects. Together with the furniture protection technology, which consists of 7 infrared sensors in the front of the unit, this allows obstacles to be recognized early and negotiated safely. 3 further infrared sensors under the unit detect steps and prevent the unit from falling downstairs. With a height of just 8.5 centimeters, the Scout RX2 fits under almost any furniture. With its large wheels, the Scout RX2 can climb carpets and other obstacles with a height of up to 1.7 centimeters. Thanks to its powerful lithium-ion battery, the Scout can keep going for up to 2 hours at a time. If the battery needs charging in between, the Scout returns to the charging station by itself. Once it has finished charging, it will carry on cleaning exactly where it left off, ensuring the entire house is clean. The Miele Scout RX2 with 3D smart navigation. Powerful, intelligent, progressive.